Tell me two things, one that makes you very optimistic about the future in IP and one that quietly worries you.
The fact that in the last 2 years, there were two international treaties that were concluded in the field of intellectual property makes me a little bit hopeful to think that maybe multilateralism is not dead. Of course, we see a lot of tensions nowadays, and geopolitics are definitely not fun in these months. But if you see that the member states of WIPO could actually get together, and despite all the differences, they could agree on the adoption of two international treaties, that gives me a bit of hope. On the other hand, what fills me with anxiety is not necessarily the emergence of AI per se, but AI was shedding a lot of light on how vulnerable the IP system can be to something that is so new. The IP system needs to remain relevant if we want to keep it. It's not something that we have to have, but if we want it to have all those beneficial impacts, then we have to be able to adjust it by measure of the technological development. And what fills me with anxiety, to come back to your question, is whether in this political climate, it is still possible to get to agreement on fundamental things that would keep the IP system fit for purpose. Because if it's not fit for purpose, it will create dysfunctions. And if it becomes obsolete, then why maintain it?